Welcome to Homaxi. In this video, we'll be guiding you on how to set up loitering detection on NVRs. Stay with us. What is loitering detection? When one or more people stay in a preset defense zone for too long, the system will sound an alarm. We will introduce the method of setting loitering detection on the NVRs. Click the Setting menu to enter the setting page, and select Intelligent AI Config. Select the corresponding camera to enable the loitering detection function. If there is no such option, it means that your camera does not support this function. Click on the Settings icon to access the Settings page. Draw a size filtering box. When an object enters the alert area, and the target size is within the range of the maximum and minimum size filter boxes, it can be recognized as a target. Otherwise, it is not considered a target, which can improve detection accuracy. Set duration time, which means the time a target stays in the alert area. If it exceeds this time, an alarm will be triggered. Set the target validity, which indicates the level of similarity of the detected targets. A lower level increases the detection rate but also the likelihood of false alarms. Conversely, a higher level reduces false alarms but may bring the risk of missed alarms due to a higher threshold. Set alarm linkage, trigger process, set. For example, set alarm videos. We have the default linkage with video playback channels and screenshots, and can also be linked with other actions, such as lighting, etc. Alarm recordings can be found by searching through Playback, Event Play, Intelligent Detection, Loitering Detection. That's all for today's tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel.